teeming with 8 billion souls. Why him?
Pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikuti ng dahan-dahan lang, sa gitna man ng daan. Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di
Hey guys, you know what? There's someone I like.
Tell us about him.
We bumped at each other earlier. And you know what? He looked at me. Who's that guy?
Is he cute or is he handsome?
He's cute and handsome and tall. Bye guys. So what now? America's waiting for me.
Ayun na. Don't forget
Of course.
Bye, babe.
Bye. Joy, I really like this guy. Look after him for me, okay?
Yeah, sure. Always take care of him.
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron nang namumuo. Ngunit di ko na alam kung anong patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo lang. Naramdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso. Ngunit biglang katahimikan, wala namang matandaan na nasabi baka sakaling ika'y aking nasaktan. Bigla na lamang ika'y di nagparamdam. Ako ba'y pinagsawaan o may ginagawa lahat? Sabihin ng totoo upang di na malito. Saan ba lulugar? Dahil di ko na alam kung anong patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Talo man ang damdamin, sana'y sabihin mo sa'kin kung meron mang pagtingin, sana'y ikaw rin.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay.
You know, guys, I miss me.
You guys didn't have any update about me?
I don't have any update.
Oh, wait. Jessica sent something. Look at the picture Jessica sent.
Does May know about this?
I don't
Something's
think
going
so.
between the two?
Oh my god.
I'm so drained today. Let's go home. Where's Joy? Is that Joy? Why are they always together? Something's fishy.
Bye guys.
Joy? I like you, Joy.
Wait. What? How will you explain what I saw? You know that I like him.
I really tried my
Try your
best.
best to seduce him while I'm gone.
I really tried my best to stop my
I don't
feelings
need
for
your
him.
explanation. I saw what I saw.
Joy, are you okay? How are you, Joy?
What do you want from me?
Why are you ignoring my texts and calls? Your action always confuses me. What's the problem? Tell me.
Who knows that one day everything will change? The universe, in its inscrutable wisdom, had spoken.